The channel.
I don't know if yours will even take a battery that big, man. I got them big boys. I'm kidding, dude. Those things are fucking 500 miles.
Yeah, shit, they got you up in the air, man.
She's gonna rip.
Right.
As soon as you grab the radio with your right hand, pull full stick back.
Yeah, I know. I was just making sure I had the control mapping correct in my head.
Yeah.
Never fucked it up.
Same as a drone. Throttle and yaw, roll and pitch. All right, try to keep it in the air. Go high.
On the runway, I'm feeling alive, chasing shadows that dance in the sky, wings of silver, glinting and bright. With every heartbeat, I'm taking flight, speeding down the line, heart full of dreams. They soar above me, nothing's as it seems. Every plane a promise, every cloud a chance. But the higher I go, the more I lose my grip on this dance. Chasing airplanes, racing the sun, catching the winds, but I'm coming undone. Falling through the skies where the wild winds clash. Living for the thrill, but scared of the crash. Chasing airplanes, oh can't you see? The closer I get, the less I'm free. Flying high on hope, but I'm losing my way. Chasing airplanes, will it end today? When the engines roar, I'm swept up in a dream. But the higher I climb, the louder the screams. Gravity pulls me back and the ground starts to call. Finding solace in the chaos, but I risk it all. Will I find the sky or fall into the sea? Every moment's fleeting, but it's all a part of me. Chasing airplanes, lost in the fight, crashing through the silence into the night. With every broken wing, I'll learn to fly, chasing these dreams until the day I die. Chase for the skies, that's where my heart grows. Chasing airplanes, I hear the call. In this wild adventure, I'll give it my all.
What is that, Hunter? Prop. Is this an ugly one? Oh, glad I got spares. Ugly. Glad I got spares. Man!
What happened, bro?
I broke my motherfucking spaceship prop.